What the fuck, yo? We are back and we are about to do some race to the BMW. We're gonna do some cheap mods to the 335. Today we got some new emblems, necessary. Interior lighting, a little unnecessary. And then we got this fucking tube, this expensive tube of wrap. We're gonna do the trim black. I was kind of against this for a while, but we're actually gonna do it. And this costs $85. Why is this $85? I have no clue why wrap costs so much now, but back in the day, I'm pretty sure I would have paid $30 or so for a 5-foot piece of wrap. Ridiculousness. Not necessary, but we're gonna do it. All right, we're gonna do the emblems first, just because that has been corroded since I got the car, so I'm gonna go right ahead and get the jack in. Where's my pad, dude? Snow Rider, take it easy. NASCAR pit stop. Spicy. That was a waste of time. Yeah. They just come out with a screwdriver. This emblem's actually different than the other ones, but that's literally how easy they come out. I guess I should have just tried this to begin with. What the fuck? Oh. Looks pretty good. Now to the trunk, which I cannot get off this fucking car. I'm gonna get to work. I'll get it off somehow. So it looks like this back emblem's actually 3M taped. That back emblem just took longer than all of the other ones combined. Got most of the gunk off. Laid out some sketchy 3M tape on this thing. It's a little smaller than the original one. I know you can't really tell from over her rear emblem, wheel emblems, and the hood bonnet. Let's go. Before we continue to take color out of this car, we have to put some color on the inside, which is these lights right here. I don't think there's any other connection in this car besides this one, so I'm probably gonna have to tap into some of the wires under the console. This thing's gonna have to come out regardless of that because I wanna run the wires under here. But first, we're gonna put this little bad boy on the shifter. This is actually sick. Shout out to my sister for giving me this for Christmas. Yo! We got the color changer box mode, some wires in the two strips. Two strips we're probably just gonna tape. Probably just gonna go up under here somewhere on both sides. Unless I think that's too bright, I might put them under the seat. We'll see in a minute here. I actually completely forgot about this one right here, so I'm going to try to have it plugged into there with this. That'll be our on-off switch. I'll have to see what's going on under here. I really want to flush this box in. So far, no drilling. I took the rubber piece out of here, and looks like I'm going to be able to do exactly what I want. Run the wire right through here, have the box here, and then we're going to run the wires down and out the side here. So we're only going to have to drill this area for the box. Some progress has been made, however, plan is not going to be originally what it was. As you can see, this box with the wires plugged in down here, that doesn't work. But I did find that I can reach the carpet from here, so I should be able to get the wires down here from this area. Here is the ideal look once we finish the install. Just kind of tape them down to the front of the seat there. Still got to do the passenger side. Still got to figure out where this box is going. I need to get the passenger side wire to that box, which is a little hole right here I can run my finger up through. But wasn't able to find any way to get from here to here with this hanger. I think I'm going to drill a hole somewhere in this area, and we'll just run the wire down through here. Gonna have to do that again. Find out on this episode. Literally still too small. It appears I now just have a hole in my car because that took me nowhere, and I struck some silver. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up, but I did learn after that incident that there is a path right here. Whoops. love when the GoPro freezes, but we got the wire through. I just routed it over to this side. Now I can plug this in. And I gotta untape this. Gonna need some more tape for that. That is not gonna hold. I think we're done. Just gotta clean this wire up over here. Not too bad. So only wires you're gonna be able to see are these two. You can barely see this one, and then this one can also barely see. Comes right off the seat, right into the center console here. And then all the wires are right in the middle. On off. Got everything put back in. Got the box taped in a little better. Should stay in place now. But yeah, these lights are sick. This car should have just came with these from the factory. Put it in party mode. Shout out to my girlfriend for those lights. That looks pretty freaking awesome, not gonna lie. And here's a look from the front. Don't look at it that way, it's a little bright. Now for the vinyl wrap, final touch here. I took the original sheet I had, which was too short, so I'm gonna have to put a seam right here. Just took that, cut it in half, laid it on there with some tape, razor, razor, razor. I'm gonna have to do some stretching on this. This is actually looking pretty sick. I had to get my bearings back. I'm probably gonna have to redo this whole thing, which took me way too long, but I completely forgot how to wrap when I was doing that. I came down here, did this little section. This looks A1 professional. Cannot get this top piece figured out. I mean, I did better on this one, but still noticeable imperfections. Definitely looks good from over here. It is snowing out, and we got the all-wheel drive chilling. Got this side fully wrapped up now. You can roast me in the comments if you'd like. This is absolutely a 5-foot job. I did really like the brushed silverish trim here, but I don't know, I'm really liking the black, and this is not something that I thought I was gonna do to this car. I've kind of grown out of the phase of blacking everything out, but here we are. Maybe I just didn't know what I was doing last night, because besides this, there's not a single imperfection in the top of this window trim. I'm gonna redo this side if I have enough wrap, because this is not good. Side done as well. This was much smoother than the driver's side. So I actually ended up redoing this part on the driver's side. I don't know if you remember what it looked like before. Yeah, that was pretty bad. So all in all, happy with the black window trim. I know the car is a little dirty. It is just gonna get dirtier in the next video anyways, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.
Feeling like I ain't a boss, feeling like I ain't a baller. I can't complain. Shawty, she been in a lot. Shawty, she lost in the sauce. She on a plane. I just get brain and get guap. I just get brain and get guap. This life is insane. This life is a dream and I like. This shit I like it a lot. I see through the pain. This life is a dream and I like.